The top 10 cutest animals in the world, from the prickly yet adorable hedgehog at number 10 to the cuddly koala at number 9. We've waddled with the penguins at number 8 and admired the charm of the red panda at 7. We've gazed at the big-eared fennec fox at 6 and lazily hung out with the sloth at number 5. We've cooed over the fluffy Pomeranian at 4, hopped along with the rabbit at 3, and melted over the duckling at number 2. And finally, we've been completely won over by the irresistible kitten at number 1. What a delightful journey it has been exploring the world of these adorable creatures.